Okay, so here is a 91 F-150 with, looks like the extended cab on there. And we got 15-inch rims on there. Got the dual tanks on it. It's got a ball hitch. I think it's a 1 7/8. It's got the hookups for the trailer lights and all that. So it's not a showroom car or truck. But it does start every time and get me places. Got some chrome mirrors on there. Antenna. Got bug shield. The headlights and the grill. Got rust and crap down there, but whatever. Let's pop the hood. Within the last week, I've put in new exhaust manifolds and a new gas tank in the rear end of this. The old one was getting pretty rusty, so I just kind of had and replaced it. That's a brand new gas tank, brand new exhaust manifolds. Within the last month, I've changed the oil. I've put in and gapped the new spark plugs, new air filter. Pretty much went through here and tweaked or cleaned whatever really needed it. I got a new thermostat in there with, you can see the blue right about there. It's got the new gasket in there with new thermostat. There's just a whole bunch of crap that needed a little tweaking, and that's what I've been doing. The battery is not new, I can tell you that, but it still starts it every time and cranks over when I need it to. I've never came out one morning and had an issue with it not starting due to the battery. I did have an issue with it not starting because the rear gas tank was so rusted out it was leaking fuel. So now that I replaced that, that takes care of that problem. So shut that up here. I just went down to the corner store and back, but grab the key and start it up for you. So turn the power on, pump it a few times. There we go. I don't even need to pump it, I just do it anyway. People tell me it helps. So, as you can see, the alternator is charging it, indicated by it's closer to the 18 than the 8. It's not halfway, it's a little above halfway. Coolant levels are fine, obviously, I just started it. Nothing you'll really have to worry about during winter, especially. Fuel gauge does work. If I flip to the front one, it's pretty much empty. So it'll drop down, flip the switch back to the rear one, goes back up, and normal oil pressure levels. The speedometer does not work. Anywhere past 40, the needle just flips all the way over. I'm not exactly sure what causes that. Haven't really looked into it, so I usually just have a GPS mount right there with the speed in the corner. So I have a map and my speedometer right there. It's got the tachometer too, which does work. As you can see, it revs up just fine. That wasn't me flooring it or anything, that was just me slowly pushing down on it. If I were to floor it, you can see it spiked a little past 5 before it dropped. Radio. I'll just seek to something.
Control. However, extremists from the
88.3
so-called Islamic
FM, for
State remain
instance.
in rural areas nearby. Beatty Light.
Alright, so that works. Radio I'm probably going to keep. Or maybe I won't, I don't know. I'll figure it out. That might just come with the truck. I got the mount for that right there. I actually kind of like how it's set up right there. It's got everything just right there. You're either adjusting the radio or the heat and cold controls, shifting, got everything right there. Turn this on. It is gurgling, so it is apparent that I do have air bubbles trapped in those heater core lines, so that system will need to be purged. It is still blowing out hot air though, so that's fine. As you can see, this cigarette lighter works as indicated by this actually turning on. Got the mirror. This window regulator is out, so this window, it will go down, but it will need help coming up. So I just leave the window up, I don't even touch it. If you need the window down, obviously still got these corners that open on both sides. And the glove box, which has quite a bit of storage space. Let's not waste any gas. Turn the truck off here. Yeah, too many keys. So. Power locks. This window works. Well, it does when the key's in. Say hi.